Do you know sovereign wealth funds have poured over 4.7 lakh crore into India? That's nearly $60 billion. But how exactly are they investing? Let's break it down. So we are talking about how foreign government funds are betting big on India's growth story. But here's the interesting part. Why are long-term SWFs still bullish on India when short-term foreign money has been flowing out? The reason is SWFs play different game. While FIIs chase momentum and quarterly earnings, sovereign funds bet on decades, India's infrastructure gap, energy transition needs, and consumption growth over the next 20-30 years. And that's what exactly attracts patient capital. They are building ports and power plants, not trading stocks. So who are the major players in these investments? Singapore's GIC and Temasek, Abu Dhabi's ADIA, Canada's pension funds, and even Norway's massive fund. All are actively deploying capital here. Where's the money going? Primarily into infrastructure and renewable energy, like the recent $230 million by GIC and ADIA in Greenko Energy, as well as real estate, technology, and financial services. Let's understand how they enter. They invest through direct FDI, by buying stakes in listed companies on Indian stock exchanges, or through private equity and alternative investment funds. Now here's something interesting. India has its own quasi-sovereign fund called NIIF, the National Investment and Infrastructure Fund. It manages around $4.9 billion and is backed by Indian government along with foreign SWFs like ADIA and Temasek. But are there restrictions for SWFs investing in India? Yes, sectors like defense, retail, and broadcasting have limits. However, most sectors allow up to 100% FDI under the automatic route, making entry relatively easy. So what's the real impact? These investments bring patient long-term capital, unlike volatile short-term flows. They are building roads, power plants, digital infrastructure, and signaling global confidence in India's future. The bottom line is India has attracted over $60 billion from the world's smartest, longest-term investors. But here's the reality. It still lags behind China and US in absolute SWF investment. There's massive room to grow. Subscribe now and turn your curiosity into financial clarity.